Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. If you are enjoying watching my Northeast Indian recipes, do share it with your friends, and also a big thank you to those who tried cooking them. Today I am going to cook a special Bodo recipe called Mejenga Oma bedor, that is Sichuan pepper pork gravy. Well, you must be wondering, Sichuan pepper? Just so you know that Sichuan peppercorns are used in certain Northeast Indian recipes and are locally known as mijinga, mejenga or jaiur. This simple but fiery pork recipe is for sure going to blow your mind and kindle your love for Northeast Indian food. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, dried red chillies, tomato, garlic, Sichuan pepper powder, salt and some coriander leaves. Now let's start cooking. First of all, grill your tomatoes over charcoal or stove. Peel the outer charred layer and keep them aside. Now take a grinder, add the dried red chillies and pound it into a fine powder. Now add your garlic cloves and grilled tomatoes. Pound them together into a paste and keep aside. Take a pan, add your pork with salt and stir them well. Cover and cook it for 20 minutes on a medium flame. Add your garlic, tomato, chilli paste. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for 15 minutes. This will help the flavors to get absorbed. Now add your Sichuan pepper powder. Open cook it until the water has completely dried. Finally add 1 cup of hot water. Stir them well. Cover and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes until the meat is tender. Add more water if you do not want your gravy to be thick. Turn off the heat, then add your coriander leaves if you prefer. Cover the lid and let it cool for some time. And here you go. Our Mejenga Oma bedor is ready. Here is the dish. The aroma from the dish is unusual and has a beautiful red color. It has a unique tangy taste as you dig into the tender juicy pork. If you love this recipe, do leave your comments and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.